Legislation impacting the HVAC industry. Why does the cost of a new HVAC installation feel higher than you expected? Olivier and heating. Ever wondered why your old HVAC system doesn't seem to cut it anymore? Or why does the cost of a new HVAC installation feel higher than you expected? Here's the deal: new energy regulations are reshaping the HVAC industry. And while it's good news for the environment, it could mean changes and costs for homeowners like you. Let's break it down without the fluff. What's changing in HVAC legislation? In plain English, governments worldwide are introducing stricter energy standards. The goal? Reduce carbon emissions. Boost energy efficiency in homes. Save money on long-term utility bills. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch: these rules impact the systems you can buy, the maintenance you need, and even who can install them. Let's dive deeper. New energy standards for HVAC systems. Here's what's happening. Higher SEER ratings. Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, SEER, measures how efficiently your HVAC system cools. New legislation requires higher SEER ratings, meaning older systems are being phased out. New units are more energy efficient but come with higher upfront costs. Low-GWP refrigerants. Refrigerants like R22 are out, eco-friendlier alternatives are in. Why? Traditional refrigerants harm the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. Expect to see systems using R32 or R410A. Higher service costs for older refrigerants if you can find them at all. Mandatory maintenance for compliance. Governments are cracking down on energy waste. Some areas now require regular inspections to ensure systems meet efficiency standards. How this affects homeowners. Here's the blunt truth: legislation means more costs up front. But it also means lower bills and better comfort long term. Immediate impacts. Replacement costs. If your system doesn't meet the new standards, repairs might not cut it. You'll need a replacement. Limited options. The market is shifting toward compliant units. Your choices might feel restricted. Installation rules. Some areas require certified technicians for installation to ensure compliance. Long-term benefits. Lower energy bills. Newer systems are more efficient. Improved home value. Buyers love energy-efficient upgrades. Eco-friendly living. You'll be doing your part to reduce emissions. What should you do? Here's your game plan. Check your current system. Is your HVAC system over 10 years old? If yes, it might not meet the new energy standards. Consult a certified technician. A pro can tell you whether your system's still compliant or if it's time to upgrade. Plan for replacement. Research energy-efficient models with high SEER ratings. Look for systems that use modern refrigerants like R32. Budget for upgrades. Yes, compliant systems are pricier upfront. But think of them as an investment. Lower bills and fewer breakdowns mean savings over time. Keep up with maintenance. Regular tune-ups aren't optional anymore. They're crucial for keeping your system efficient and compliant. FAQs about legislation and HVAC systems. 1. Why are these changes happening now? Governments are pushing for greener energy solutions to tackle climate change and reduce emissions. 2. How do I know if my system meets the new standards? Check the SEER rating and refrigerant type. If you're unsure, call a licensed HVAC technician. 3. Will my old system still work? Yes, but repairs might cost more due to outdated parts or refrigerants. And some areas may fine you for non-compliance. 4. Are there any incentives for upgrading? Many regions offer tax credits or rebates for installing energy-efficient HVAC systems. Look into local programs. 5. How often should I schedule an HVAC maintenance? Twice a year is ideal, once before summer and once before winter. The bottom line. New energy standards for HVAC systems aren't just a buzzword, they're here to stay. Yes, it might mean spending more upfront. But in the long run, you'll have a system that works better, costs less to run, and keeps your home comfortable all year round. Stay ahead of the curve. Upgrade smart. And make sure your HVAC system isn't stuck in the past.